What's up, guys? I'm here today. How to play the fucking chicken gun? Hey, good. First, I'm playing the chicken gun. Rustin, give me ready to download the chicken gun. Alright, first. I will play this and this. You mean like I want to create different server. Go play. Go all the times. Not just different server. But what happened? But this sandbox was lagging. I see it was made the battle fight, and you cannot get in. And it was still bullets, and you pulled that bullets, and that was bullets. That's so biggie. But I can join it. It was still busy. Let's see. Can I'm just controlling I'm just go chicken gun goes controlling a chicken gun. The chicken gun was scared. Oh no! Why is still Becky? Why is still God hacking? I was playing. I don't want. Immediately I'm playing this every day. I be a controlling. But I can see it. And I thought like fucking get in this game. But the chicken gun was got controlling by me. Me was put out of the eyes, hair, mouth. No, Daniel was hacking. I was hacking all the fucking different server. It was buddies buddies broken. But how do I fucking do this? Why no code? Wait, what? What is the word? He did a spawn and no kill. I made no kills. But it's still take me to fucking everything. Oh. The first time I got controlling the fucking there's a fucking chicken gun. I can cause different server. But I was connecting in different server. But I cannot do this. But the chicken gun was got connecting by different server. Now I gotta make this. Chicken gun. Controlling ghost. But it was got controlled by me. Me was hacking fucking everything. The chicken got different server. But people didn't get in it. I just immediately I really crashed this fucking day. So this Russian gamer was bullying me. I'm crying. I'm starting angry. I'll stay here with a fucking chicken gun. Never thought I gotta watch. This is a fucking watch. It was. What else you gonna do? I fucking come to get how but the word is. Let's see where this needed. Why is it bigger? Possible. And that's what is. Content Akabara is the same. It's quality. 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold the picture. This is the. Chicken commands. But you say fake YouTuber. I use it fake. I'm a YouTuber. I will warn you. Wait for again. She was begging and she was hugging me. And she was how old is she? No. But I had fucking carrot.
Okay. 当你发娱乐城有超级多热门的老虎机、捕鱼机、真人版。